Hi everybody, I'm Kyle Geisler, Cloud Management and Software-Defined Data Center Specialist at VMware. My role is helping our resellers and channel partners understand how to communicate the value of VMware's cloud management platform to their customers. But I'm going to talk a little bit about that today, but before I do, I want to give you an overall picture of what VMware's integrated architecture for IT looks like. So let's get started. It starts with our digital transformation agenda. Now, for our customers and yours, we're trying to address three key business outcomes: driving better business agility and innovation, creating exceptional mobile experiences, and protecting the brand and customer trust. Now, this is critically important for our customers, and IT more and more is being leveraged to drive these outcomes. So I want to call out how we align with strategic IT priorities that drive those. So the four core strategic IT priorities that drive these outcomes are modernizing the data center, integrating public clouds, empowering digital workspaces, and transforming security. Now, VMware's integrated solutions and our entire architecture can deliver all of those outcomes to your customers through those priorities. Before I talk about how, I want to call out something that's really important. If you're just selling vSphere, a bare hypervisor, to your customer today, you're doing them a disservice, because most of those customers are bringing with them all of the legacy bad habits of the traditional physical world. So by talking to your customer about a full cloud management platform, not only can you help them solve critical business challenges, but you can significantly improve the size of the deal you're working on with that customer. So, how does our integrated architecture help drive these priorities and through them the ultimate business outcomes that our customers are looking for? Well, it starts with applications. This is why IT exists to begin with. Whether they're the traditional applications we've been serving up for decades or new cloud native or software as a service applications, we need the platform that can deliver those apps securely. Now, more and more, our customers are looking to receive those applications on any device. We like to say from tablet to Tesla. So our customers, their IT organizations, need a platform that can deliver any application to any device. Well, we have that platform. We call it VMware's cross-cloud architecture, and it allows us to deliver any cloud to any application for any device. Side note, those are the 6 words you need to describe to your customer what the future of their IT organization looks like. Any cloud, any application, any device. So how do we do that? Well, first we start with a baseline layer of software-defined technologies, software-defined compute, storage, and networking. On top of this foundation layer, we add the vRealize Cloud Management Platform. A cloud management platform gives your customers the business intelligence, the performance and capacity planning and analysis capabilities, as well as the automation tool sets required to truly integrate public and private cloud. By the way, when you integrate public and private, that's how you create hybrid cloud. It's an easy concept to talk about with your customers because they've been doing it for decades with on and off-prem managed services. It's the same thing. If you've ever heard the old joke, there is no cloud, it's just somebody else's computer, it couldn't be more true. The only difference is there's some intelligence behind it that drives the value to the customer. So that, in a nutshell, is our big picture for VMware's integrated architecture driving any cloud for any application on any device. Now, if you can incorporate that message into the story you're telling your customer, not only will you increase your stature as their trusted advisor, but you'll set them up for success in the future and create a long pipeline of projects to work on. Now, in that vein, I want to talk to you about one more concept, and that's the concept of the customer journey. So what we've noticed in working with our most successful customers, the ones who have adopted our technologies earliest and most often, is that there's a right way to do it, and it's often a stepwise approach. The same way they adopted virtualization in the beginning, they can adopt a cloud management platform to deliver on this reality of the new IT. So this is where most of our customers start their journey in the managed virtualization phase. They've got vSphere, they're using vCenter Server, or maybe some other solution to manage the virtual machines that they've got today. Well, what's important to understand about that is there's really only one core IT metric that they can drive with that type of solution, and that's CapEx reduction. So all you're helping your customer do with bare bones virtualization is save CapEx. Well, you can only squeeze so much out of the hardware in their data center today, right? So when the customer's gotten to that point where they've virtualized everything they can, they're ready to take the next step. And what's that? Driving down operating expense in their environment. And this is where the intelligent operations use case comes in. So our customers start their journey to the hybrid cloud by understanding what's going on in their data center today, by using performance, capacity, and cost analytics to truly understand the nature of the workloads in their environment. Now, once you've taken stock of your house and have an answer for management when they want to know what workloads we can move to public cloud, then you can start looking at driving greater agility within the IT organization by leveraging automation. Not just automation for all sorts of business processes, but automation for IT's infrastructure. We like to call it IT automating IT. This is the first step in truly leveraging an automated IT organization. Creating self-service, creating a portal, a vending machine of services for IT to offer its organizations. And doing it in a governed, controlled, cost-conscious way that leverages the right resource, public or private, for the right workload. Now, once we've matured as an IT organization that much, then we can start attacking the true developer cloud, DevOps-ready use cases that many of our customers are admitting they're going to need to address in the next couple of years. So I talked about our overall architecture for IT. I gave you a little peek under the covers on the journey that our most successful customers take. If you can incorporate that vision into your story and understand that there is a roadmap to get those customers there, not only are you going to be helping them with more and more lucrative projects, but you're going to become a better trusted advisor for solving more and more important business challenges. Now, I've put my contact information down here at the bottom, and there will be a link associated with this video as well. I'd love for you to reach out to me. I can go into much deeper detail on every one of these steps, talk to you about some best practices and communicating these things to your customers. And in general, I would just love to help you really understand the value of CMP in your customer accounts. Thanks for taking the time to watch today. Have a great day.